and welcome to Kenya School of Technology Studies. Today we are going to look at fundamentals of information communication technology, topic computer system, lesson 2. My name is Jackson, your instructor. Welcome. After the end of this lesson, the student is supposed to have covered the following: definition of a computer, evolution of a computer, and the last one, element of a computer system. Let us now start with the first part, that is of definition of a computer system. A computer is an automatic machine that works under a set of stored programs. Again, it is an electronic device that accepts data, processes, and outputs information. Now let us look at computer parts. We have system unit. We also have the screen or monitor or visual display unit. We have the keyboard. And lastly there we have the mouse, as they are well indicated in the diagram. Now let us look at the figure representing computer processes. Once the data has been entered into the computer, that is an input, the data is processed, and then finally we have the output in the form of information. Later on, one can either store or save his or her data in the computer by using one of the storage media. Now let us look at terms used in computer. We have soft copy, a document displayed that is displayed on the screen. One can only see, but you cannot touch or either feel. Hard copy is a printed document got from the printer. We also have hard data. These are raw materials or basic facts with little or no meaning at all. We also have information that can be defined. It can be defined in 3 ways. We have processed data, meaningful data, and assembly of data. Let us now look at some of the advantages of the computer. Under speed, computers are fast in data processing compared to human being. Under complexity, computers can perform complex arithmetic calculations. Under versatility is the ability of the computer to process the same job several times without becoming tired. Under security, that is through the use of password, especially when one is saving his or her document in computer. The other one is multitasking, ability of the computer to process different programs at the same time without having problem. The other one is communication through the use of internet, and entertainment, that is either playing games or listening to the music. Let us now look at disadvantages of the computer. The first one, computers are very expensive. It leads to reduction of labor force. It breaks down easily. There is also what we call loss of information in the case of computer failure. Again, under health hazard, it causes eye strain or wrist pain to the computer users. Those are just but a few advantages and disadvantages of the computer. Let us now look at types of computer. We have different types of computers. We can classify them into 4 categories, or we can also classify them into 3 categories. That is size, data they process, and purpose. Let us now start with the size. We have supercomputer. Under size, we have 4 types of computers. That is supercomputer, mainframe computer, mini computer, and microcomputer. Characteristics of supercomputer: it was largest, fastest, and expensive type of computer. Mainframe, largest. It was large, again expensive and faster, but not like supercomputer. We have mini computer. Mini computer is smaller, and again it is also faster, but it cannot be compared with the 2 above. We also have microcomputer, which is the cheapest and the smallest compared to the other 3 types of computers. That is supercomputer, mainframe computer, and mini computer. Types of microcomputers: we have laptop computer, desktop computer, and lastly palm computer. Let us now look at the other category, that is under data process. We have analog computers. These are computers that are used for measuring changes in physical magnitude, e.g. speed and temperature. We have digital computers. These are computers that are commonly used in commercial industries. Even they are also used for performing mathematical computations by use of binary numbers, that is ones and zeros in computer. We also have the last category under data link process, that is hybrid computers. These types of computers, they have both characteristics of analog and digital computers. Under purpose, we have three types of computers. We have special purpose computers designed to perform a specific task only. We have general purpose computers designed to perform a wide range of tasks. We also have dedicated computers. These are general computers that are dedicated to a specific task only, e.g. committed to word processing task only. Now let us look at part 2, that is of evolution or generation of computers. We start with the first one, first generation. That was from 1940 to 1958. This type of computers, this type of computer, it was huge, expensive, and often broke down. It used vacuum for internal storage capacity. A very good example of a first generation type of a computer is IBM 650. Advantages: it was faster in calculation, but this is only during its days. Again, the vacuum tube led to advent of electronic digital computer. We have disadvantages.